Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Autowatch Ghost on a 2014 BMW M4, and on here we've done what we call the Ghost Pro. We've done multi immobilisations on here, so we've done digital and analog, and we call it the Ghost 2 Pro. Okay, so how it works, if someone wants to jump in or clone his key, this key here, or take the key from the house and try and start it. If I try and start it now, foot on the brake, won't even start. Okay, will not start. Okay, so now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, really simple as always with the Ghost 2, main ignition on, push sequence, receive our confirmation, foot on the brake, start the vehicle, select gear. Really simple, really straightforward. When the customer wants to take it for a service and wants to put it into valet mode, this is also very straightforward, and this is how you do it. So again, main ignition on, inserts disarm sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive our double flash. Let's do it again, because obviously I think I had the ignition on, I didn't leave it long enough, so it was obviously in a disarm state. So ignition back on. Insert the code, wait for our double flash, there you go. And now if we hit the traction control button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll get confirmation, 5 flashes, and now it's in valet mode. So basically, we'll start the vehicle, they can move it around, service it, park it, whatever it needs to be done. Okay, so let's leave it for about 10 seconds. So main ignition off, just to show you it's still in valet mode. Start the vehicle, no code required. When you get the vehicle back, really simple as always, just main ignition on and push sequence. Double flash, out of valet mode, start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle starts. Now if we leave it 10 seconds, try and do an attempted start, it will activate the immobiliser again. Obviously you have to go through a push sequence so we know it's protected. Should be about 10 seconds now. So foot on the brake, try and start. The vehicle won't start, as you can see. Vehicle won't start. So again, push sequence. Double flash. Start vehicle. Once the flash has gone out, select your gear. Really simple, really straightforward. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted the Autowatch Ghost 2 Pro, which is multi-immobilisation circuit, just that we feel is a bit more secure now. If you want to give me a call, the number to me is 02890604780, 02890604780. Thank you very much, bye bye.